What's the meaning of bursary? Bursary. Bursary.
Bursary. Bursary. A bursary is a monetary award that is typically given to students who are struggling financially and require financial assistance to pursue their academic goals. The purpose of a bursary is to provide financial support to students who would otherwise be unable to afford the cost of education. Bursaries are often awarded on the basis of academic merit, financial need, or a combination of both. The goal is to help students achieve their educational goals and to encourage them to continue their studies despite financial difficulties. Overall, bursaries play a vital role in supporting disadvantaged students and ensuring that they have equal access to educational opportunities.